photography.
Empowered by my inner fire, with every step I'll climb higher. Self-belief is my guiding flame. With confidence I'll make my name. I am empowered, I am strong. With every step I belong. In my heart I find the key to unlock my dreams, to be truly free.
Hello!
Hello! Happy Sunday, everyone! Stay warm sa mga pinagpapala natin, mga pala-pala lang ng pala. Kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway. Alright, mag-start na tayo. Kumusta ang ating mga Sunday?
Ito,
Okay.
Malamig na Sunday.
Malamig. Hindi pa naman kami inaabot ng snow, pero malamig.
Malamig din. Alright, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Anong oras po nakakarating itong live namin sa inyong lahat. Welcome po. Maraming salamat for watching at sa mga manunod din ng replay. Maraming salamat po. Before we begin, gusto muna natin i-acknowledge, of course, yung mga nakikita niyo naman mga nagkagandang empowered women for today. Ayan, kaway-kaway. Ako po si Malu, ang host for tonight. I am a mom of 3 kids. I'm currently working as admin manager, and of course, I'm a part-time digital business owner, just like the other ladies here. So, every day, gumigising tayo para magtrabaho, para sa ating family, para sa pangarap, di po ba? So, kahit pagod, kahit minsan discouraged na tayo, laban pa din, di ba? Tuloy pa rin tayo.
Yes.
Tuloy pa rin tayo, and aminin natin, marami sa atin yung mga tahimik na nagtatanong sa sarili, hanggang dito na lang ba ang isang income? Sabi, di ba? Sapat ba ito sa mundo ng, at madaming, mundo ng mga materyales, mundo ng mga AI, mundo ng matataas ang mga bilihin. So habang lumalaki ang pangarap natin sa mga anak natin, mas nagiging malinaw na hindi lang sapat ang work. So we just don't want to survive. We want choices. We want time, of course. And of course, we want better futures sa ating mga families. So ang tanong is, one income still enough? Ang topic natin is, if you're still relying on one income in 2026, this is for you. Diba? So, ayan, asan ang ating co-host, Fe? Pasok.
All right. Thank you, Malu. Thank you, Ka-Empower. Good morning, good afternoon, lalo na sa ating mga viewers, kung saan man kayo nakikinig, nanonood. Magandang umaga, tanghali at gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Fe, ang co-host ninyo today, based in South Carolina. Isa po akong healthcare worker and also part-time digital business owner. Hopefully, as time goes by, become a full-time. All right, so tonight, it's for parents, professionals, healthcare worker, kasi isa po akong healthcare worker, and everyday people who are doing their best but still open if there's another way. Walang pressure, just honest conversation. So, let us hear from our speakers as they share what this topic meant to them. So, let's start with Miss Mary Ann. Sis, take away.
Hello. Happy Sunday to everybody. Another empowered day to everybody. Ako po si Mary Ann. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a full-time sales administrator and a part-time online mentor. Yun, so gusto ko lang i-clear, no, hindi ako naghahanap ng extra income dahil nagfe-fail ako sa life. Okay? May trabaho ako, stable, okay naman. Pero dumating yung point na napaisip ako na hanggang kailan ako aasa sa income na nakukuha naming mag-asawa. Sa totoo lang, sa panahon ngayon, ang bilis tumaas ng gastos, no? Lahat-lahat na, groceries, gas bills, lahat pataas, pero ang sweldo, aminin na natin, hanggang dun lang muna. Doon ko na-realize, hindi risky ang maghanap ng another source of income. Mas risky yung umaasa ka sa iisa lang or dalawa lang kayong mag-asawa. Hindi rin ako naghahanap ng something na kukunin lahat ng oras ko. Ma'am, ako, may pamilya, may trabaho. Kailangan ko yung flexible, di ba? Yung pwedeng gawin sa mga free time lang, sa gabi, o sa sarili kong pace. Hindi ito dahil kulang ako, hindi ito dahil desperado ako. Ginagawa ko to kasi long term yung iniisip ko. Gusto ko yung income na pwedeng lumaki kasabay ng buhay ko. Kaya kung okay ka ngayon, right? Pero ang alam mong ayaw mo umaasa sa iisa lang or sa kahit anong income lang, minsan hindi ka late. Mas maaga lang dapat tayo mag-isip. Ayoko na yung dati, yung nagkaroon ng pandemic na uncertainty lahat, di ba? Parang mahirap. So kaya gumagawa ko, ngayon pa lang na able ako, naghahanap na ako ng pwede kong gawin on the side. Yun lang. Thank you!
All right, thank you, Sis Mary Ann, for the good insight that you are sharing to us. That's something that many people don't talk about, planning ahead before the situation force you to do it, So, ngayon pa lang, plan ahead na tayo. So, now let's move to our next speaker, Miss Cherry. Take away, sis.
Nakamute. Oh, baka gusto mo ulitin,
Mute.
Ate She.
Nakamute.
Ako si Miss Sherry, nababaon na sa snow. Nandito ako sa Canada. And for me, this is perfect. This is perfect. If you are having side hustle like a digital business because kahit nandito ka lang nakaupo, di ba? Yes, it's kind of hard, to work every day. So for me, it wasn't about working harder na magkaroon ka ng more income, I was already busy, kaya hindi ko na kailangan yun na dagdagan pa yung oras ko to earn more. For me, I wanted an income stream that didn't rely on clocking in more hours. Kaya nandito ako sa digital business na to. So, I feel like ito hindi burden sa akin na to give more my time, my effort, my hours. Of course, everything is online, especially we have everything that supports us. We have all the resources to run our business. So one that gave me flexibility in my life kasi ako busy na working hard as a nurse. I cannot give up my being nurse because it's my passion, I feel bad, to leave people who need, but I don't want to add something that add to my my hours, my effort, so I'm here in this digital business because it gives me options. Kung tutuusin mo before medyo okay yung one income, now it's not enough. So if you want flexibility in your life, add this kind of side hustle, because there's more flexibility and it's what do you call it has something that it give more freedom in your income, in your lifestyle. I think that's my input. Yes.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sisha. That's a powerful shit kasi more effort to better structure. Sino ba naman ang gustong magdagdag pa, di ba, ng burden? Sa panahon ngayon, one income is not enough. Kaya maririnig niyo yan ng paulit-ulit sa ating mga speakers today. At kahit nababaon si Sherry sa snow, sabi nga, napakalinaw ang kanyang message. Hindi lang tayo kulang sa sipag, pero mas kailangan natin ng mas smarter way, di ba, para kumita. So, let's move on. Kay, Sis, Vicky, all the way from Como Lago, Italy.
Hello everyone. I'm Vicky, based here dito sa Como. Isa akong travel sub-agent at like the others ay isang digital business owner. Alam nyo, sapat pa ba sapat pa ba sa inyo ng isang income stream lamang? Alam niyo itong 2026 ang dami nang nabago, eh. Tama yung tanong na, safe pa ba ito? Ako, being a business-minded, nung aking kabataan, you know, ang mga side hustle ko ay mostly on selling. Pero dumating yung panahon na tumanda na ako, ayoko na magbaga, ayoko na namimilit na magbenta. Ngayon, hanggang mula kasi nung pandemic na nakaranas talaga ako ng talagang stop yung aking business dahil nag-stick na lang ako dito sa aking ticketing. Alam niyo na almost 2 years na wala akong income. Ang hirap di ba? Tapos may mga bayarin ako. Kaya, kumbaga yung konting naipon ko, naubos lahat. Kaya hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin ko. Yan ang isang naging lesson sa akin na kailangan talaga ng plan B. Kailangan ng second income. Alam nyo, katulad yung sabi ko na ako ay nagsawa ng nagbebenta. Buti na lang at nakita ko itong business na to na hindi mo kailangan magbenta, hindi mo kailangan magdisturbo ng mga kaibigan, ng mga kamag-anak. Pwede ko din gawin na habang ginagawa ko at the same time ng aking main business at quietly na at my own pace kung kailan ako may time, nagagawa ko. Kaya kung kayo ay isang income stream lang ang inyong inaasahan, alam nyo, tignan nyo din tong aming digital business na ginagawa namin na madali lamang gawin. Dahil napakalaking tulong po just in case na may mga dumadating na mga job loss, mga emergencies, mga inflation, malaking bagay yung may another income stream ka. Yan lang po, back to you, host.
This is what many people get stuck. Yung yung walang plan ahead, walang backup plan. Gustong magkaroon ng extra income pero ayang gumalaw, ayang mag-take rest. Kailangan talaga natin mag-take rest para hindi tayo darating sa panahon na ma-stuck tayo, yung may mga kumbaga hindi natin inaasahan na darating, kailangan makagalaw tayo. Kaya simulan na natin ngayon to plan ahead. So, next is Miss Raquel. Take away, sis.
Yes, hello. Good evening, everyone. Good morning and good afternoon to whatever part of the world you're watching right now. I'm Raquel and I'm staying here in Milan, Italy. When I discovered this business years back, I didn't jump right away. Hindi agad ako naniwala. Hindi agad ako, may fear ako at saka meron doubt pa sa business na to. Pero pinag-aralan ko siya. Nag-take risk ako after na ma-discover ko siya na hindi lang pala tong business na to ay para sa mga katulad kong hindi nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Ito ay kahit na yung mga professionals na nagtatrabaho full-time ay narito din sa business na to at nagiging successful. Kaya doon ako na-encourage na gawin ang business na to. And kaya ako nag-stay dito sa business ko dahil sa flexibility nito. Dahil full-time ako nagtatrabaho dito sa Italia for many years. And kaya ko siyang gawin kahit na busy ako. I'm very busy dito sa Milano, full-time worker, kahit hanggang Sunday, Saturday nag-work ako. Pero alam natin nga, tulad ninyo, kahit professional, nag-isip pa rin na magkaroon ng plan B. Siyempre kami din na nandito sa Italia na ang trabaho ay hindi man professional pero kumikita pero hindi talaga kahit kami hindi rin talaga nakaka-survive pero mahirap mapuno lahat ng mga responsibility, magawa lahat. Kaya yung flexibility ay pasok sa aming schedule dahil pwede namin gawin kahit anong oras na libre kami. Yung system din na tumakatulong sa amin na gawin tong business, and of course yung support global, na nagpapatunay na kahit hindi ako tech savvy at hindi nga ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral, ay hindi ko kailangang gawin to alone. May mga sumusuporta kaya nakaka-survive and thriving in this business. That's yun. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Sis Raquel. So tama yung sinabi ni Sis Raquel. Hindi mo naman talaga kailangan maging professional or magkaroon ng diploma or anything kasi nga ano naman, 'di ba, para sa mga non-tech savvy, para sa mga hindi tech savvy din, 'di ba? So ito yung kagandahan. And yung walang pagbebenta, sabi nga walang bugging of friends at no pressure. So just learning how the system works. So para sa mga katulad ko ding professionals na I mean, nasa corporate world, napakahirap din yung mag-rely ka ng isang income, 'di ba? So, magigising ka, papasok, and then kukunin mo yung sahod mo, and then tapos na. Parang hanggang doon na lang ba tayo, 'di ba? So, until we start thinking about our retirement, our time freedom, yung mga unexpected changes, kasi ang dami nating mga sudden bills o kaya emergency, 'di ba? So, or knock on wood yung mga shift sa ating mga kanya-kanyang bansa. So, ang question is one income really enough? So, ang conversation isn't about kailangan mo, baka dito na ako sa online business, alis na ako sa work ko. Siyempre, sino ba naman dito ang, 'di ba, gustong magstay sa work? Lahat tayo gustong umalis na sa work. So, it's not about quitting, pero it's what you build or taking unnecessary risk. Sabi nga ni Sis Fe, you just have to take risk. Sabi si Mrs. Raquel, you just have to take the risk. Kailangan mong, kahit na nagda-doubt siya sa umpisa, pero she did her due diligent research, naging open-minded siya. So, this is about giving yourself and your family more options, di ba? Para sa yung future. In the end, babalikan ulit natin ang ating mga why, di ba? Bakit tayo? Ano yung purpose natin dito, di ba? Para kanino yung mga ginagawa natin every day. So, it's about working smarter and not harder. So, ayun. Anong masasabi mo din, Sis Fe?
So, para sa mga nanonood, those who are listening and thinking, if this sounds interesting to you, but not sure yet, don't worry. Kasi ganun din kami nung nag-umpisa kami. Curiosity is where the clarity starts. Lahat kami dumadaan dyan. Alright?
Amen. That's correct, Sis Fe. So tonight really comes down, or today it comes down to one question. Is one income enough ba sa'yo? Diba? And is it enough for the life you want in the future? So, hindi mo niyo po kailangan sagutin, but being open to learning is already a powerful step. So, before we wrap up, we will ask each empowered women here to share a quick invitation, hindi para magbenta, pero of course para i-guide tayo and of course get more clarification. And we'll start with Sis Mary Ann.
Yon, especially if you're thinking long term and don't want to rely on one or just two income forever. Huwag na tayo mag-intay ng panibagong pandemic, na on wood, na or something na darating na emergency at we're not able to do so. Check this out and see for yourself if this is the right fit for you. You can message anybody, but from the website, it's www.mariantibayan.com.
Yes. If you are aiming to have a life that you have time freedom, flexibility, especially if you want flexibility without adding more hours to your day, building something that fits into your life, not adding to your being busy every day, not something that takes over it. So this is it for you. you know. It's just, we are just a message away if you need help, or if you need, you know, to learn more, what is this all about. So my website is www.sherrylamis.com.
Hello, ang tanong ko naman for tonight is, kung mawala yung main income mo, may backup ka ba? Alam nyo, katulad yung sinabi ko na may naranasan na natin during the pandemic na most of us ay hindi prepared. Kaya I think this is the time na tumingin din kayo ng another source of income. At may advice ko po tong sa amin dahil you can do it at your own pace, na hindi kayo magbebenta, na hindi kayo mang-istorbo ng ibang tao. So check this out. My link is www.vickyventures.net.
Yes. Kung kayo ay katulad ko na busy mom, busy parents, working parents, hindi nangangahulugan na kung anong sitwasyon nyo ngayon ay dyan na tayo, dito na lang tayo mag-stuck. Meron pa tayong ibang options, at kung curious tayo, pwede tayong we are capable to learn more, something new and something more deserving para sa ating sarili at para sa ating pamilya. And if you're curious, just visit my website, www.serranoandco.it.
All right. If support and guidance is what really matters to you in starting something new, this community is for you. Watch our webinar. Join it. It's free. Take action and what you call that? Don't wait until you are ready. Start now. If you want any of us here in this empowered women, you can connect to us. Or if you want me to mentor you, just sign up your name and email address to my website at www.fakeax.net. All right?
Yes, and of course, especially for those of you who are looking to quit your job, this isn't about leaving what you've worked so hard. So it's about creating better options sa iyong future, because one income can cover today, but building options prepares you for tomorrow. Ganon. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. At sa mga, you can connect dito with anyone in here. Watch the webinar if you're curious, and remember, you don't need to decide tonight. Just stay open. Okay. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you again next time. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.